Hey, Jack.
Yes?
My new job today is getting an ice cream store. Really? Can I come with you? Can I be your assistant or anything? Sure. Okay, let's go. So excited. It's like going on an ice cream truck. It's not really a truck, it's just a garage. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we should go. We have 10 customers a day. Wow, that's a lot. It's not a lot for a day. Let's go. Whoa, that's a big, huge, giant truck. I know, right? So let's see what customers we have. Sorry, just need to get the customers. Hey, who wants to get some ice cream? Yeah. Well, they said 10 a day, so yeah, we have a lot. So let's go. Yeah. Sorry. Whoa. Hi, guys. Hi. Would you like to order something for ice cream? Sure. I'm going to go first. Check up there. Okay. Man, it's automatic. Whoa, we have different flavors. Okay, so we have we have some sandwiches. Oh, I would like that, please. Okay. Thank you. Hey, can I share a few? Sure. Well, that's 2 customers. Hey, can we choose? Yeah. We all like the same thing, so yeah, we're going to pick together. Let's go see what they have. Whoa, they have some sticks. Yeah, would you like to buy that? Yeah, awesome. Yeah, let's go eat. Yeah. Can we have, all of us can have the same thing? Yeah. Well, it's going to be big, so I'll just give you 1. Yay! Okay, the cost is, this is kind of expensive, but $15. That's not expensive. Cha-ching. Thank you for coming. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 customers. Okay. You go eat there. Yeah, eat there. All of you eat there. Let's look for more customers. Hey, I want to go ice cream too. So that's 7 people, right? So 7. Okay, I'll go and get ice cream. 8, 9, and 10. I'm going to go too. I'm so excited. Hey, we don't want to waste money, so we're only going to get 1. Aww. Okay, can we get some all for us for 1? Sure, we'll love to. Let's see inside. Ooh, look at that tub. Let's go buy that. Yay! Let's go eat. Yummy. Let's go open it. Sorry, just did that. I had to open it. There you go. Yummy. Double fudge brownies. Well, that's all for today. We had a lot of customers. I'll see you later. Bye. This is Toy Facts. So rate, comment, and subscribe. See you later. Bye.